Hey everybody, it's Joyce. I'm back today to show you how to make Mickey and Minnie heads in Cricut Design software. I am making these up to help with some fish extenders I'm going to use on an upcoming Disney cruise. And I want to let you know that what I am going to do is I have purchased some of these little zipper pouches and I'm going to put some Mickey and Minnie heads on them. That being said, continue to watch. I've got an exciting offer at the end of this video, but this is just going to be a very short tutorial on how to make these Mickey and Minnie heads. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to go ahead and open a new canvas here and get started on our Mickey heads. Our Mickey and Minnie heads really don't consist of a whole lot. This is just a very simple design to make. You've got 3 circles and a bow. That's it. So let's start out with circles. We're going to go over here to the shapes on our left-hand side, and we're going to get 3 circles. Here's our first circle, and then we're going to duplicate it 2 more times. Duplicate is right up here on the top right. So duplicate once and twice. So we've got 3 circles. Let's go ahead and size these circles appropriately. We're going to do the ears at 3 inches. So we're going to go up here to size and make that a 3. We've got this lock button here, so it's going to automatically scale the height according to how we do the width. Do our second circle at 3. This is going to be our second ear. And then we're going to do our third circle at 5 for the biggest part of the head. I like to go ahead and line these up with 2 inches of space in between them. So these are my ears, and I've got them lined up now 2 inches apart. And then I'm going to just click and drag on the head and get that where I want it. Voila, Mickey ears. I like to weld this together so the shape is going to be one shape and it doesn't get skewed. So we're going to go ahead and click and select all of the pieces. Right here, bottom right-hand corner, we're going to hit weld. This is now one single piece. You can see up here your weld result, one piece. Now it's time to do Minnie. Minnie obviously is going to start the same way. So what we're going to do is we'll just use our Mickey head here and we will duplicate it. So here's Mickey. Let's make this Minnie. We need a bow for Minnie. I'm going to go to Images. I'm going to search for bow. Find a bow I like. I like this bow. This looks kind of Minnie-ish. We're going to click on that, and right here at the bottom right, insert images. Here's our bow. Okay, 2 options. We can use the bow as is, or if you don't want these pieces on the side, we're going to select that bow. We're going to go to the bottom right-hand corner where it says Contour, click on Contour, and we're going to click anything we want to hide on that. I'm going to hide those 2 little ribbon pieces. Click out of this. Voila. I like the size of my bow. If I didn't, I could go in and, change it to size it more or less, whatever. After I'm happy with it, I'm going to select everything and I'm going to go up here to the top right where it says group, and I'm going to click on group. This now allows me to move and play with this as one total group. So that being said, if I want to size it up or down, I can do that, and the bow stays the same size in relation to the head. It doesn't get smaller or bigger. It stays relatively the same with it. I can size either by dragging this arrow in or out, or I can go up here. Originally it was 6.75 with the ears. Do that. See, changed my width to 6.75, and it automatically changed the height to be proportionate to the width. And I guess I did it the wrong way. It was actually the height that was 6.75. So let me do that. 6.75. There we go. So now it changed the width to what it was proportionally. So as you see, they both match size-wise again. Okay, let me just do a quick here. Let's duplicate this again. If you did like the bow the way the bow was, we'll go back in, Images, Bow, pick our bow out, insert images, and drag our bow back into place however we want it. So I'm going to show you another way we can select everything. We can hit what we want to select, hold down your shift key, click the next piece, and we're going to group this. So here we go, we've got it grouped. So kind of two different ways. It's just really, it's so versatile. You can do it however you want. I'm going to use these, as I said, to decorate some little cosmetic bags that I purchased. I'm going to give these out as fish extender gifts on my upcoming Disney trip. That being said, I'd also like to give one of these out to a lucky listener. All you have to do to enter this is like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to our station. I am going to give this out as soon as we reach 100 subscribers. So please jump on the bandwagon and subscribe, comment, tell me what you do and don't like about this tutorial, and also tell me what kind of designs you'd like to make and like help on. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and take care. Bye.